Wakinyeni kiri maandamano jarajetetwe ni Raila Odinga buboni ugambi bwa bunge kenda bakiama kia ODM baranande bonekete bate kuthingatira mugambi jakiama bange bakiaria na arua nandiki bante BAUGITE kuri na njira ingi injega na chia ukiri cha kuthiria mathina jaria akenya bokurukira bakiuga ndwe gisiasa ititethia muntu kinyoriku kuringana nabo kira kiega ni atongere gukarania nthiguru na kwaraniria bure uchumi bwa Kenya bumbikie kinya kuritwa maigone janga tunyi na gutiga kuinyiria akenya na kinya kubanyiria ngarama yoturo mwandiki wetu Anthony Kathenya ka 2020
Kagita kala maandamano mangwatanire Azimio matigere ntukujirire umathithika amuji muneno Nairobi mutongeri wangwatanire na Azimio Raila Odinga nethilo kithina mbele na ndiunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu na kuthina mbele kumenile thirikari ya Rais William Ruto. Amuji wa Nairobi nao abunge mugwanja kumakia makia ODM ni beba ni itie na maandamano mama na kulia thingatibao nabo kwebane namo kile abunge baba kulale na mubungu wa Lang'ata Felix Oduol Kanajalango amwena senator Kisumu Tom Ojenda.
We want to categorically state that we the undersigned will not be participating in the planned demonstrations. We equally urge our constituents to do likewise.
Abunge baba bakidijaga na mbele na kugatati maandamano tionda wathina ile jinyiritie ndino kwa Kagita gaka.
We firmly believe that the current economic challenges facing Kenya will not be resolved by political confrontation and other forms of political partisanship. It is time to have a national economic dialogue to find solutions to our collective economic challenges. Let our political competition be at the level of competing economic ideas.
Abunge baba ne badile na mbele na kulia Kenya balaba kethura bena mesili makuthi maandamano ni mama kutigira beno kili na batekwia kana konanga into janto amweno ogu ni baba ulite kutigira bausoka ngugeni jiao mpoi kuendelithia ngugi jiao tauremi Kagita gaka kwina mbura.
We acknowledge the right of every citizen or group of citizens to picket and hold demonstrations as an expression of their political aspirations. We appreciate that such actions are essential to the advancement of our democracy, and it is our firm belief that such demonstrations must be peaceful and orderly and not injure the rights and property of others. We therefore wish to encourage all Kenyans who wish to participate in the demonstrations planned for next week to do so peacefully and in a manner that strengthens democratic rule and does not encourage anarchy and breakdown of law and order. We trust that reason will prevail amongst the political leadership of Kenya, and God will give us the wisdom to find the path to lasting peace and harmony in Kenya. We encourage those who will join the demonstrations to return to their normal economic and social activities as soon as possible, especially those who are engaged in agriculture or some form of farming, to take advantage of the current rains to plow and plant.
Abunge baba balaba umitentereja Nyanza ni bagwati togeni Rais William Ruto kaunti ya Migori kurakethirwa thiete kurugore miradi mwanya kuuma muji muneno Nairobi mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.